to edit high picture quality. In this video, I'll be guiding you practical steps on how to transform your picture quality from this to this. Now, I keep getting a lot of people saying, sir, teach us how to edit high picture quality. We like your picture quality. This is what I get in my comment section, and this is actually giving me engagement. So are you a kind of person who like taking pictures, but your picture qualities are not coming out better? And you need to know, it's not about you using iPhone 17. It's not about you using S25 Ultra. It's not about you using Android phones. It is about you knowing how to actually edit your picture quality, which gets people engaging. So in this video, I'll be guiding you practical steps on how to transform this to this. And it is actually very free, as like, you're not like 5 steps and you are done. All you just do, you share this video and let other benefit, right? So you go ahead and put your CapCut, either iPhone or Android phone. So you click on that place, says edit photo. Now, go ahead and look for the photo you want to actually edit. So we are picking this particular photo as an example. So you choose it, and now you're going to be seeing adjust the moment you bring in the picture. Okay. So you go. So we are picking adjust, and we are starting with brightness. Okay. So I will click on brightness, and then take my brightness to at least 10. Okay, so then you come to contrast. We are going to be taking our contrast to at least 7, and again you come to brilliance, and we are using 5. So you come to sharpen, and we are using 40. We are using sharpen 40. You come to clarity, and we're using clarity 30. So when you put it in 30, then the next thing we're going to be doing looking at is temperature. So you go right, you're going to say temperature. Temperature is written as temp. Okay, so we're taking our temperature to minus 30. Okay, so this will give us one cool picture. So our widgets should be like we are going to be using at least a minimum of, that's we are using 14. Okay, so that's what we're using. So you click on the confirm button. So now when you are done applying this particular effects now, or this particular numbers, you see, you go ahead and click on save after you discover that your picture is fine or everything is fine. This is actually very simple. The reason why what we just did to this picture was that this picture is actually warm and dark. So what we just did now is to make it somehow cool, bright, and then clear. Okay, so this is how you actually work on your picture quality after taking it directly from your phone, because sometimes when you take pictures from phone, not that the phone is not good, you can be using a quality phone, but it will not just give you it. Somehow it can be blurry, maybe due to you didn't even clean the camera lenses and the rest. Why sometimes it's just dark, or due to where you took the picture or take the picture, maybe the place was dark or this, and you now need to enhance or work on it. So this is how you actually work on your picture or enhance your picture quality for others to be able to vibe with it or even engage with it. All right, so please share this video and let other benefit. All right, thank you.